Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Razak. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install and activate Elementor plugin on your WordPress website for free. Because recently, while I was showing people how they can create a website with Elementor, when they visit Elementor website, they can't see an option, a free plan again, because Elementor has changed their mind. They have changed the way they operate before. That's how they don't have a free plan again. Let me quickly show you now. Before, if you want to download and if you want to install and activate Elementor plugin on our website for free, we normally go to their website like this, elementor.com. This is how we did before. Then once you are there, you click pricing, then you click page builder plugin. This is it. Before they had something free plan here, before the essential plan, advanced plan, but now they have not got a free plan button here. So people who want to start a business, who want to start website, they will become confused. They don't know where to start again. And with this $59 per year, you get one pro website, which we normally get for free before. Let me show you how you can download it for free without paying any money. To do that, visit wordpress.org /plugins. Then you search for Elementor. Elementor website builder. You click it. Here you can download it for free. You can download it for free. They have updated it 2 days ago. It is a very powerful plugin. You can see 5 million plus people have installed it, are using it on their website currently. To download it, click download button. Now it has been downloaded, and now it is downloading on our website. Let's wait for it. You can also go to your website like this. You click plugin, you click add new. Now you search for plugin Elementor. You enter. Now you can see you can install it here without going to their website, because if you go to their website, you will not get it for free. You can click this upload button, because there are 2 methods that we can use to install and activate plugin. You can upload the plugin here. You can also go here and install it. The choice is yours. Let me upload it here from the one we downloaded from this website here, which is this one. It has been downloaded on our system, on my computer, in zip format. Let me click here, choose file. This is the Elementor which I have just installed, which I just downloaded on my system. You click open. You click this install now button. Now it's in the process to install. Let's wait for it a little bit. If that method is not fast because of the network, I'll click install now button here. It's installing. installed. Then you click activate. Now it has been successfully installed and activated on our website. Here you will see they say upgrade, ready to get Pro Elementor Pro. Then if you want to upgrade, you upgrade. If you want to create an account, you can create an account with them. You click this cancel button, cancel icon button to cancel it. This is the Elementor you've just downloaded. You click here. These are the features of Elementor: post, page, landing pages, integration, how you can integrate it into another, how you can integrate other software with it, like Google Maps, advanced. These are the features of Elementor. Role manager. This is where you control who can use your Elementor. You can restrict people from using it on your website, like your editor, so that they can be only editing the post without getting access to your Elementor. You can assign a role for an author here. You can assign a role for a contributor, for SEO manager, how they can use your Elementor, because Elementor is a very vital plugin on the website. Now Elementor has been successfully installed and activated on our website. For us to enjoy it or to use it, we click post to add new post. Okay, now that we have downloaded and now that we have installed and activated Elementor plugin on our website, we are now going to try to create a post in order to edit it, for you to be able to understand how to use Elementor. Let's give this post a title: how to design with Elementor. You click save draft. You click edit with Elementor. Now to edit with Elementor, this is our title: how to design with Elementor. You can hide this title here. You can hide the title. Clicking this, you hide the title. This is it. Here is the navigator, where you navigate it, and here they call it the widget. Here where you can add the new section and widget. To add to start designing your website with Elementor, you click this plus button here. You click this. This is it. To what? It is the column. This is the section. 2 columns. This is the navigator. You can navigate it here. If you click here, it has been closed like this. You click here to cancel it. This is the navigator. It helps you navigate easily while you are designing. You click this 9 button here. This is your title. You drag the title here. How to design with Elementor. add the text. This is the tutorial on how to install and activate Elementor plugin. Here you can add your image. You can add image at the top like this, between this, and at the bottom like this. This is your image. You click it. Let's go to our media library to let's go and find one image. Let's search for web designer. You're going to download this image. You click this. It has been successfully downloaded. You come back to our website. You select files. You navigate to our, this is the pixel. You click open. You click insert media. Click this hide icon there. Now you can see our design. You can design anything with Elementor. Elementor is a quick builder on WordPress. I hope this if you are finished, you click publish button. I hope this article has helped you know how you can install and activate Elementor plugin on your WordPress website. Please share it with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and like this video for more information. Thank you for watching.